This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying essentials. Make sure your iPhone or iPad runs iOS 14 or later and Roblox is updated. Pair your external Bluetooth keyboard in Settings Bluetooth, or enable the iOS on-screen keyboard in Accessibility if you don't have a physical one. Once paired, open Roblox and join any game that uses chat or text input. Tap a chat box or text field. The keyboard should appear. This first step gets input active so you can type commands, chat, and test key mappings immediately. Now you'll configure how keys behave inside Roblox. Open the game's controls or settings menu and map movement, jump, and action keys to your keyboard. Many games accept standard WASD plus space and shift. Test key repeat rates and modifiers, hold shift for sprint, or use command/control for custom bindings where supported. Make sure iOS keyboard features like predictive text or shortcuts are off if they interfere. Once done, alternate between touch and keyboard to confirm inputs don't conflict and that latency is minimal. Finish by optimizing performance and preparing fixes if something fails. If keys don't register, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then reconnect the keyboard. Restart the Roblox app. Make sure the game supports external keyboards. Some mobile titles limit inputs. If problems persist, reset control bindings in-game or reinstall Roblox to clear corrupted settings. As a quick fallback, use the iOS on-screen keyboard or a wired Lightning/USB-C adapter. One key tip: check accessibility keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.